That's a good one.
Okay, you'll go.
Were you in third or second? Second, because I was doing it in third, but when you get to the top, it starts to die out. But the whole thing is, as long as you leave straight, Dad, you'll be fine. You can go as fast as you like.
I won't go as far as you go.
It
needs a long set straight, and then as soon as you can, and maybe stand up and brace yourself.
Yeah.
There's a few of those pictures that Steve was on. He was sitting down when he was on the edge.
Yeah.
God, he must have jarred it right up his spine. I think the lips disappearing.
Yeah.
Oh. It's not kicking you up as well.
This is fucking hilarious.
Is he filming or is he
Yeah, filming.